Hey guys, Cal here. Congratulations, you just bought yourself a new boar hair brush. But comes out of the box looking like this. And you need it to look like that so it'll actually build a lather. What can you do? Well, you could use it and deal with it until it breaks in. Or you could follow these quick tips. Get yourself a glass of water. Submerge it. Put it in the fridge, and we'll check in on it tomorrow night. Hey guys. Our brush has been soaking for a little over 24 hours in the fridge. Now what we do is we are going to lather the hell out of it in a Thirsty Badger lather bowl. We're going with PAA North meets East. Why? Because it smells so damn good. Squeeze the excess water out of it. We're going to go watch an episode of Dexter while we're lathering. Now we're just going to lather this while we're watching TV just to get those bristles nice and broken in. That'll help break those bristles in. I just got to add a bit more water to it. And you're just going to keep doing that. Watch some good TV. Enjoy that wonderful smell. Okay guys, so we put that brush back into the fridge for overnight. So now, after chilling, we take it out and we buff the hell of it with an old rag while we're watching some TV. Be back soon. So now you can see we've got her broke in. Got a whole bunch of split ends in there. And she'll be good to go for our first shave. Stay tuned for that video coming up soon. Using Paraso White. And this new shave that I just bought. So stay tuned. That video will be coming up in a few days. So hope I was able to show you something. You guys take care. Bye-bye.